Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to activate Commerzbank Online Banking. First, after opening your bank account, you will receive two separate letters by mail. One letter contains your participant number, which may also be called a login ID, along with your initial PIN. The second letter contains a special activation graphic that you will use for the photo tan process. Keep both letters safe and ready. Next, take your smartphone and download the Commerzbank Photo Tan app from your app store. Once the app is installed, open it and follow the instructions on the screen. You will be asked to scan or enter the activation graphic from your letter. This step connects your device securely to your bank account. When the setup is complete, your Photo Tan app is ready to use. Now go to the Commerzbank homepage using your browser. Find and click on the Login button. On the login page, enter your 10-digit participant number or your personal username, along with the PIN you received in the letter. After entering your details, the system will ask you to confirm your login. Open your Photo Tan app. You will either receive a push notification or see a graphic on your screen that you need to scan with the app. Approve the login in the app to continue. During your first login, you will be asked to change your initial PIN. Choose a secure password that you can remember easily but others cannot guess. Your online banking is now active and ready to use. Thanks for watching.